Hi, everyone.
You know what's right? Some things around us are so tall that it feels impossible to guess their height. Like, how would you even measure something like that without climbing or flying?
Anyway.
Have you ever looked at a tall building or a structure and wondered, oh my god, how am I gonna measure this? Well, today, we're here to show you how do you measure the height of something tall, like a flagpole, without having the need to climb it, obviously. Sounds cool, right? All we need is a clinometer, meter sticks, and a little math called trigonometry.
Oh my god, what is that?
A clinometer is a simple tool used to measure angles, especially when you look at something tall. It's often used in surveying, hiking, and even by scientists.
And trigonometry. Don't worry, it sounds harder than it is. It's just a part of math that deals with the relationship of the angle and the side of a triangle. We'll use it to find the height based on the angle and the distance from the flagpole.
Now, we're going to show you step by step.
Step 1. Measure your distance from the flagpole. We need to figure out how far we are from the base of the flagpole. You don't need fancy equipment for this, just some meter sticks or a measuring tape. In our case, we use meter sticks one after the other to get an accurate distance. We measured around 9 meters away from the flagpole. Step 2. Measure the angle of elevation with a clinometer. Now, let's use the clinometer. It helps us measure the angle from our eyes to the top of the flagpole. I stood at the measured spot and aimed the clinometer at the top of the pole. Keeping my hand steady, I got an angle of 60 degrees. Make sure to try it a few times to get a consistent reading.
Tingnan mo.
Step 3. Measure your eye level. After that, I measured my eye level from the ground. Since the clinometer is at my eye height, we need this for our calculation. My eye level is at 1.57 meters.
Finally, do the math. Alright, now that we have taken all the measurements we need, it is time to figure out the actual height of the flagpole using the data we gathered. We measured the distance from where we were standing to the base of the flagpole, and it turned out to be 9 meters. The eye level, which is the height from the ground up to the eyes, is about 1.57 meters. Using a clinometer, we also measured the angle from the eye level to the top of the flagpole, and that angle was 60 degrees. To find the total height of the flagpole, we are going to use a simple formula that helps us calculate it using trigonometry. Since we know the angle of elevation and the distance from the flagpole, we will use tan or tangent from SOHCAHTOA. That's opposite over adjacent. We are gonna rearrange it to height equals distance multiplied the tangent of the angle, then you add the eye level. To get the total height, we need to add our eye level. Inside this formula, the word tangent or tan is one of the basic functions used in trigonometry. You can find the tangent of an angle using a scientific calculator. When you input 60 degrees into the calculator and find the tangent, the result is about 1.732. So now, let's plug all the values into the formula. We take the distance, which is 9 meters, and multiply it by the tangent of 60 degrees, which is 1.732. That gives us height equals 9 multiplied 1.732, which is 15.588 meters. But we are not done yet. We also have to add the eye level to get the total height from the ground to the very top of the flagpole. So we add 1.57 meters to 15.588 meters. That gives us a final height of around 17.16 meters. So, the estimated height of the flagpole is about 17.16 meters from the ground all the way up to the top. Pretty cool, right?